sari-sari for our lunch. So, ayan. Meron siyang sitaw, pechay, talong, and banana blossom. And yung karne na ginamit ko is yung tuwalya-tuwalya. Ayan siya. Pre-pressure cooker ko na siya yesterday. Ayan. It's so yummy. Ilalagay ko na din tong pechay. Ayan. Ang ginamit ko nga din pala na peanut butter ay ito. Yung Skippy na super chunk na peanut butter namin. Gamitan ko siya ng Mamacita's Kare-Kare Mix para naman mas sumarap. Kirkland, this is one of my favorite brand of coffee na pinapadala ng asawa kong Indiano. Galing siya sa Australia. At nyo. Brewed coffee. Mommy! Ang bango ng kanyang amoy, guys. Colombian coffee siya. Kirkland. Ayan siya. Ang bango talaga na ito, guys. Lalagay ako dito sa aking. Hindi ko alam kung gaano kadami.
Say hello.
Dirty na. Wipe your hand in the towel. Go.
You?
Ah?
You?
Not there. Ito talaga. Today is Monday. We were going to school. Ice, guys. Nung Friday, nauntog siya sa bakal doon sa kanilang slide doon sa kanilang school. Sobrang kulit naman kasi. Going to school. Kain tayo, guys, ng palabok. Palabok ba to? Malabon. Ganon, basta. So, ayan. Binili ko lang ito, guys, doon sa food court sa palengke malapit sa school ni Mark. Kaninang hinatid ko siya. Anong tinatanong mo?
Asan si envelope?
Asaan si envelope?
Yeah.
It's mali. It's asan si ano? Tell it again. Tell it again.
Asan si envelope?
Tinatanong niya kung nasaan daw yung envelope. Asan si envelope daw? Hindi ganun, Mark. It's not like that. Asan yung envelope? Ganon. Ikaw talaga. Doing his assignments.
Waiting. Okay. I did it one.
Huh?
I did it one.
Why?
Erase this.
Erase it. Where's your eraser?
Where's the eraser? Where did you put the eraser?
Do it yourself.
Where's the eraser?
There.
By two.
Yes.
Yes. It's because there's supposed to be an A, but I forgot it.
Is it?
Yeah.
It's okay. You can erase it. Instruction first.
Read.
Read first.
Listen to your teacher read what is on each apple. Color red the apple that has some plants.
Again, I don't understand what you say.
I did a word here that in my stool, and then teacher said I forgot about the air, so that's how I know that that I have to color this.
Okay.
There's no edge. You don't get edge from plants.
Yes. What else?
You did that fruits and vegetables also.
What else?
Materials. Yeah. Wait.
What are the materials?
Wait.
What we will gonna use in the plants for materials?
Don't ask me anything now.
Why?
Because I don't want to talk anymore.
Okay, fine.
I want to be silent.
Okay. Why you want to be silent?
Because.
Why? You want to be silent now?
Yeah, it's homework.
Okay.
It's homework.
Okay. Hi guys! Nag-order ako ng Mang Inasal sa Food Panda. Mang Inasal. Let's see what's inside of this. So, nagki-crave daw yung mga bata ng Mang Inasal naman. Nag-order ako ng plate. Yan, yung 3 paa and then 6 na barbecue. Takpan ko muna. And then the other thing, ano kaya to? Something. Wow, may pasuka sila. And then ito guys is pecho. Ito guys. So, ayan. Siguro ito yung mantika at saka toyo kalamansi niya. Siya nga. Ayan, toyo mansi. Okay guys, let's eat. Kain na tayo.